Okay, Neha, let me first welcome in Hyderabad city. How long you, I mean, after how many days years you're coming to
I don't
Hyderabad?
actually remember how long back I came to Hyderabad, but I know that it's been a while since I've come here, and it's such a wonderful city. It's so nice to see so much happening in the city. It's changed so much, and every time I come here, there's something more that Hyderabad has to offer. And yeah, apart from the biryani, I look forward to everything else new in the city.
Being a Punjabi, girl, for having a biryani, non-veg, you like non-veg biryani?
Well, no, I'm somebody, I endorse PETA now, so I don't eat non-vegetarian food anymore. But yeah, when I used to, yes. But having said that, I like my food, I enjoy it. So it's nice. I look forward to the rest of my day here in Hyderabad.
What about your association with Gillette brand? Like, how was your experience?
My experience with Gillette is fabulous. It has been fabulous, and it's been one of my most wonderful experiences or associations as far as the brand is concerned. Gillette as a brand knows exactly what they're talking about. I think that it's got men a lot more aware of the way they need to turn out, and they've done it the right way by sending the message through women like us who like our men looking a certain way. Today we're rebelling against a very small little thing, saying that if we're the ones who are always grooming ourselves and spending so much time on ourselves and looking special for our men, so why don't our men do that? They get up every morning, they go to shave when they have to go and meet their boss. Haan, aaj boss ko milne jana hai to shave karenge. So what about us? When are we going to feel special? So yeah, so the message clearly today is that get rid of that evening stubble, and if you don't shave, we make you crave.
And what about the bed? In the special you're doing that. It's a new
razor. Yes,
you'll be promoting Gillette in various cities, but
yes.
In the bed, I think it's your first experience, as you told.
Absolutely, it's the first time I got up from a bed right now, and I've come straight and I've landed on a bed, and thanks to Gillette, they're looking after my comfort, and at the same time they're also sending a very valid message about your evenings being special, with your partner. And I think a great way to sort of show an evening setup would be, showing a bed. Clearly not stating anything else, but we're talking about how important it is for men to shave even in the evening.
What Kishan, as a companion, he's supporting you for this.
Well, no, I think it's more just for the brand, and we both have been given strict instructions to, do exactly what we're supposed to do. I'm representing the woman, he's representing the man, so we're clearly role playing here.
Now you know why she's sitting and I'm standing, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's exactly why she's sitting and I'm standing. So yeah.
What are your future projects?
I'm working on Ungli. It's been produced by Karan Johar and directed by Renzel. And I'm also I've just completed my first Punjabi project. It's called Rangile. It's with Jimmy Shergill. And yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I'm starting a comedy film in Jan, so I'm getting all set for it.
What about the South, like Telugu projects, Tollywood?
I love Tollywood. I love the cinema over here, and I'd love to come back and work on some really interesting projects here.
I just want to point regarding to some programs like we're doing on fitness. So can you speak something about the fitness fundas?
As long as it's really quick. Yeah? Yeah, what do you want me to say? What is the question?
Some fitness fundas, how you follow your daily fitness funda.
Well, it's just really important. I kind of work out for about an hour a day, whether I'm traveling or not traveling, and I make sure that I stay fit, not because I'm an actor, but just because I'm somebody who's extremely conscious about being healthy. And that's my message to everyone. Look after your body, because then that's the only way your body's going to look after you.
You have your house food, or what do you prefer, outside or home food?
I love home food, but because I travel so much, I'm just careful about what I eat and what I don't eat.
Any youngsters to message for the alcohol? What do you have to say? Any message for the alcohol? Not to have.
Well, my only message is that anything that's done within limits is fine, and I'm sure as youngsters everybody wants to experience it. But if you're drinking, don't drive, and if you're driving, don't drink. It's as simple as that.
Thank you, Kishan. Your experience I want to have, with Neha Dhupia.
First of all, begin talking about Gillette. I'm really glad that I've gotten to associate myself with a brand.
You use this brand, no?
Yes, I do. I think that's by default. 99% of the men I know by default they use Gillette. So that's the best thing about it. And about Neha, I was just telling her some time back. She's someone I've really admired her for the choice of films. So I'm glad that's like a double bonus for me. There's Gillette and there's Neha around, and that too Neha sitting on a bed as we were discussing some time back. So that's the.
I get that a lot.
Yeah, I get that a lot. So it's nice. It was fun. I especially like the concept behind behind the event today. So it's nice. It's a nice feeling to be here.
And your future projects?
I have a film releasing this very Friday called Routine Love Story. ఈ 23rd కి రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. దాని తర్వాత గుండెల్లో గోదావరి ఉంది. దాని తర్వాత D for Dopadi. మళ్ళీ నా షోర్ ఇన్ ద సిటీ డైరెక్టర్స్ తోటి ఇట్స్ a Telugu film, crime comedy which they've produced, and I'm doing 2 more in Hindi now. Again, with the directors of Shore in the City, and one with Mr. Rahul Dolakia. He directed Pazania and Lamha and stuff. So.
Are you looking forward to work with Neha in a movie?
I do as much. I was just
Promote her to, get into the Tollywood.
I was actually going to say, when all you guys were asking her a question saying if she's going to do something in Telugu, I was just going to say she should. She really should. She has a lot of fans out here.
That's very
So,
Yeah.
that's the thing. So, especially, that's the best part. Like I was just mentioning some time back, the kind of films, the variety, that's most important. So there are very few people who actually manage to balance both commercial and interesting films. So that's a nice place to be in.